Book 1, The Manners of Kings. Story 1. I heard a Padshaw giving orders to kill a prisoner. The helpless fellow began to insult the king on that occasion of despair with the tongue he had, and to use foul expressions according to the saying, "Who washes his hands of life says whatever he has in his heart." When a man is in despair, his tongue becomes long, and he is like a vanquished cat assailing a dog. In time of need, when flight is no more possible, the hand grasps the point of a sharp sword. When the king asked what he was saying, a good-natured vizier replied, "My lord," he says, "those who bridle their anger and forgive men, for Allah loveth the beneficent." The king, moved with pity, forbore taking his life, but another to speak nothing. But another vizier, the antagonist of the former, said, "Men of our rank ought to speak nothing but the truth in the presence of Padshahs. This fellow has insulted the king and spoken unbecomingly." The king, being displeased with these words, said, "That lie was more acceptable to me than this truth thou hast uttered, because the former proceeded from a conciliatory disposition and the latter from malignity. And wise men hath said, a falsehood resulting in conciliation is better than the truth producing trouble." Wow, that doesn't mean to be dishonest, but sometimes it's trouble to fix things right. And he whom the Shah follows in what he says, it is a pity if he speaks anything but what is good. The following inscription was upon the portico of the hall of Faridun: "O brother, the world remains with no one. Bind thy heart to the Creator. It is enough. Rely upon possessions and this world, because it has cherished many like thee and slain them. When the pure soul is about to depart, what boots it if one dies on a throne or on the ground?" And perhaps I'm not the only one who remembers the Soundgarden song. To bury you rich or to bury you poor, you know that line.